Welcome back to Autozaf channel. Here's everything you need to know about the 2025 Ferrari 12Cilindri Coupe. A stunning homage to the iconic V12 engine. Pronounced dodi-chi chilin-dri, this car is designed to replace the 812 Superfast, boasting a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 that produces 819 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and the engine revs up to 9,500 RPM, creating an exhilarating sound thanks to its advanced exhaust system. The new Ferrari 12Cilindri rides on a freshly designed chassis that improves torsional rigidity while maintaining low weight, using a secondary alloy made from recycled materials, a first for Ferrari. This car also features rear-wheel steering, brake-by-wire, and ABS Evo for precise stopping power. Its aspirated torque shaping sculpts the torque curve in third and fourth gears, ensuring thrilling acceleration without compromising control. Ferrari's Side Slip Control 8.0 enhances handling on low-grip surfaces by estimating the side slip angle and grip levels, making the 12Cilindri a joy to drive. The glasshouse design minimizes noise, vibration, and harshness while improving safety through added rigidity. The exterior design of the 12Cilindri blends nostalgia with modern aesthetics. Clean lines, powerful haunches, and muscular flanks highlight its capabilities, while the integrated headlights and wraparound light band create a distinctive look. The front splitter increases downforce, and aerodynamic features ensure smooth airflow and effective heat management. The 12Cilindri comes with staggered width 21-inch wheels, and buyers can choose from glass, aluminum, or carbon fiber roofs. A wide range of colors and brake caliper options are available, allowing for customization. The rear features slim taillights set into a dark band, dual tailpipes with titanium or black ceramic coating, and a broad diffuser under a narrow liftgate. Expected to be priced around $435,000 for the Coupe and $470,000 for the Spider. The 12Cilindri rivals cars like the Aston Martin DBS and the Porsche 911 Turbo S. With its blend of past and future design elements, the 2025 Ferrari 12Cilindri Coupe is set to make a significant impact when it hits the market in the first quarter of 2025.